City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Hey y'all, it's Kameron with the K. Welcome back to another video. And thank you so much to BetterLength for sponsoring today's video. So we jumping right into it today. These are the products that I use on my clip-ins. I also love these products on my natural hair. Pro tip. I will leave links to things down in the description box below. First things first, I'm going to detangle these clip-ins and wash them. I will be talking periodically throughout the video just to give you guys some context on what's happening, but definitely make sure you guys enjoy. And again, don't forget to check the description box for links and coupons and things.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Cameron jumping in here, y'all, because the lighting, the camera, the everything has changed. This is a whole different day, but bear with me. I hope you guys still enjoyed the video, and let's get back. Y'all, jumping in here really quickly. So a pro tip when it comes to when it comes to blow drying and straightening and styling your clip-ins, y'all, a hanger. This is also a really good way to like air dry it. So yeah, you just clip them on here and you clip multiple ones on here. So this is how I do it. Boom. So now I can easily straighten it or blow dry it or anything. It's just, yeah, or store it. I love this. So as you see, the clip-ins look so good. This is with them blown out. I am going to hit it with a straightener a little bit. You guys will see that soon before I wand curl it. But let me show you another air dried piece. It's a little wet, but as y'all see, it's more textured. You can see the texture versus this is a little bit more blown out. So yeah. But yeah, I'm going to finish this and BRB. right, y'all, so time for installing the clip-ins. The video clip right before this, I was showing you me putting them in. However, it hurt. So if it hurts when you install them, it will hurt when you wear them. So just make sure they feel comfortable. They do not have to be perfect. It does not have to be perfectly parted or perfectly put, as long as it lays flat and it gets the style together, okay?